Greetings from Ågesta Naturistbad, Ågesta Nudist Beach in Stockholm region, more specifically in Huddinge municipality. Yes, this is one of the few public nudist beaches in Stockholm region, and it's probably one of the best ones and most visited in the hot summer months. But today it is 1st of October 2024 and it is completely empty as autumn is on its way and not so many people would want to dive into the colder waters. And there is even a sauna here for the members. They have few days in a week that you can use the sauna and take a swim, but it is not today and it's usually in the evening. So currently it is completely empty at Ågesta Nudist Beach, and lots and lots of green area. And I have made few episodes from this beach, but I haven't shown you. I realize now the full beach, how it is. So I'm gonna walk a bit. And here it says, here we bathe, sunbathe and bathe naked. And some information about the association. So yes, 1st of October, welcome October, and we are starting it with a visit on Ågesta Nudist Beach. And we have some sunshine today, which is great, despite the forecast saying being cloudy only. There is even a sandy part of the beach as well, apart from the huge green area, and it is also in the middle of the forest and the Ågesta Nature Reserve. To get here it took me 7 kilometers with my Scott gravel bike, and it was around 18 minutes, I believe, in a fairly moderate pace for me. So yes, there is a jetty that I'm going to use for my swim, and I realized I haven't been to this beach since April or May, was it, when it was rainy. But today it is so sunny and nice, and you can see me now as well on this beach, the number 159 on my Sweden Beach Adventures. It is 13 degrees Celsius currently outdoors, and we're gonna soon find out also the temperature of the lake Magelungen, as I am measuring currently, as I'm letting you enjoy a bit more of this beautiful view of Lake Magelungen. So yesterday I was also on the same Lake Magelungen, and it was 12 degrees at Fagerhå. So at this point I think it is a bit warmer, and it actually is, as I'm seeing. 1, 2, 3. It's 16 degrees Celsius in the lake here, so it hasn't cooled down a lot, which is amazing. Since yesterday it felt quite cold, to be fair, at Fagerhå, but that is where the lake ends and it's a bit smaller. So yes, beach adventures with Chris from Ågesta Naturistbad, and wonderful sunny day for a swim and to welcome October in the best possible way. And being October, it seems that next month in November, if the weather allows, the cross-country skiing track that's only 500 meters away from here will open as well, either with artificial or natural snow, depending on how the weather is going to be. And do we have some light rain as well now? What? Okay, it looks like we're gonna get a rainbow, as we have rain and there is sun, but yeah, I can see the clouds over there. So it's quite magical indeed. Alright, time for a swim. Lake Magelungen for 2nd day in a row, but this time for Ågesta Nudist Beach, this one. So make sure to visit this during the summer months when it's crowded, or during the winter months now when there is nobody here. You choose. Alright, so with this light rain and the sun in the background, this magical 1st of October, we are doing the beach adventure number 159 day this year in Sweden. So tomorrow it's gonna be celebration 160, as we are getting only 40 days away from 200 mark. That's the last year's record. All right, ready, set, go. Amazing. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I can't describe how lucky I am to be able to have proximity to so many different lakes and beaches like this one over here in Ågesta. Amazing. I just love seeing the nature all around and enjoying a nice swim on this lake Magelungen. Cool, so let's wrap up from Ågesta Nudist Beach in Stockholm and start off October month in the best possible way. I can't believe we have only 3 months left of this year. Time flies when you have fun and do beach adventures every day. Thanks so much for watching, and we're gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.